cough is an infection of the lungs and airways. While the proper name is pertussis, it is widely known as whooping cough because of the sound people make after a bout of coughing. Whooping cough is an incredibly contagious disease which is caused by a type of bacteria called Bordetella pertussis. The first symptom of whooping cough is like that of a cold, including a runny nose, watery eyes, and a sore throat. Intense bouts of coughing are likely to start 1 week later. While antibiotics can be used to help combat the infection and prevent it from spreading to others, they must be given within the first 3 weeks of the infection. However, the best way to tackle whooping cough is usually by prevention through vaccination. If you are vaccinated against whooping cough in pregnancy, you develop antibodies against the disease and pass these on to your baby. This gives your baby huge protection against catching whooping cough. You should have the vaccine between 16 and 32 weeks of pregnancy to ensure your baby has the maximum protection. Did you find this video valuable in learning about how to treat whooping cough? Like our page and follow us for more educational videos.